Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Treasury bills through Fidelity. First, you will need an active Fidelity brokerage account, ensuring it is properly funded. Once your account is ready, log in to the Fidelity website. From the main navigation, locate and click on the Products or News and Research tab. Then, select Fixed Income, Bonds, and CDS from the drop-down menu to proceed to the bond trading platform. Once on the Fixed Income page, you have two primary avenues for purchasing Treasury bills: new issue auctions or the secondary market. For newly issued T-bills, click on the New Issues tab to view upcoming government auctions. If you prefer to buy existing T-bills, select the Secondary tab, where you can browse a wide selection of currently traded securities. Both options offer distinct advantages for investors. After finding a suitable Treasury bill, click to select it. You will then specify the quantity you wish to purchase. Remember, each T-bill represents $1,000 in face value. For example, entering 1 means you are buying $1,000 worth. Fidelity also offers an auto roll feature, allowing you to automatically reinvest your principal and interest into a new T-bill of similar terms when your current one matures, simplifying your investment strategy. Before finalizing your purchase, carefully review all order details, including the quantity and selected T-bill. Once confirmed, place your order. You can then monitor your new Treasury bill within your Fidelity account's positions. A significant benefit of investing in Treasury bills is that the interest income earned is exempt from state and local income taxes, though it remains subject to federal taxes, offering a potential tax advantage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.